It's me. I'm recording live from the Happy Holiday Retirement Community / Insane Asylum. I'm here in Sammy.
Hi.
Sammy, flip the bag over. What you got?
They're like frozen grapes, and you have mixed berry, lemon, lime, or green apple.
Ooh. And we're going to try one?
Yeah.
You going to open it?
Yeah. Which one do you want?
What were they again?
They're mixed berry, lemon, lime, or green apple.
Lemon berry. Is it lemon berry?
Lemon lime.
Lemon lime. Okay. And what are these?
Frozen grapes with some sugar.
Grapes. And where do you get them? In the frozen section?
Mm-hmm.
With the fruit?
3, 2.
Oh!
3, 2,
No.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh! 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 What are you laughing about? Oh! Oh! Sammy! Oh! God, these are horrible. This kid's trying to poison me. Ooh, what else is on this?
It's freshly frozen grapes splashed with lemon juice and sour candy.
Oh, do you know what arsenic is? Do you know what cyanide is? Oh, that's good. Okay, I'm going to try it again. No. Oh. Okay. Are not bad once you bite into them. Well, I give them a -1 out of a -1. What do you give them?
A 10.
A 10? Oh. I would say go get you some, but don't. Ooh. Ooh.